Hey LSCTV, welcome to my CASA. Why don't you join me and my friend Sci as we give you a tour of the LSC CASA building. This is where you can get all your registration requirements filled before registration opens April 8th. Over here, we have the admissions and records counter. This is where you can register for classes, make schedule changes, and really get any help you need with your My Lone Star portal. On this side, we have advising. Whether you are a first-time in college student or someone that's joining us again, you can get your advising needs met right here. And then we have the Enrollment Lab. Whether you need help with your application, your pre-assessment activity for your TSI test, uploading your bacterial meningitis forms, or doing any residency oaths and more, you can get all of that help here in our Enrollment Lab. Come on, let's go see where you can find out about financial aid and that TSI test. Over on this side, we have financial aid. Whether you filled out the FAFSA or the general financial aid form, this is where you can find out all about your financial aid information. And then on this side, we have the testing center. Whether you need any TSI or any sort of scores for testing, this is where you can find that out. Now, let's go out to the quad, where on April 12th, we'll be having our open house event. Come on, Sci. Welcome to the beautiful quad at LSC Sci Fair, where on April 12th from 4 to 7 p.m. we'll be hosting our open house event, where you can find out all about our clubs, rec sports, and so much more. We'll see you there.